front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and tap on About Phone. Now select device name and type in whatever you want to. Like Sunny. Once you finish to save your device's new name, just use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my XIAOMI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!